I like this. You don't see that anymore. This is the elevator at 5:20, or I forget, 5:23 or something, I don't know. This is a Burlington modernized by Dover. It's got these PTL fixtures. It resembles 425 Broadhollow. Excelsior's maintaining. It's the original motor. Classic levels. Basement of all time. Okay, listen to this. Gonna do another ride. That was a nice motor. Helplink phone. Nice cab. Not original, but nice. It used to be like turquoise. Indicator. Impulse fixtures. You can tell this is a mod just based on this panel. Burlington plate was covered up, I guess, if there even was one. SCJL equipment. This is not a Dover. Door's having some problems. All right, here we go. Listen. I like this elevator. Big drop. Yeah, I like this. This one has a... It doesn't have return to main floor. It has a fire hat. Yeah. Typical Dover Impulse. But definitely a lot more interesting. 4,000 pound capacity. Since this one's a lot bigger. Yeah, see. This is how you know it's not a Dover Impulse. That's not a Dover thing. There it goes. And that's it. This elevator, like, yeah, it really resembles 425. Probably like that better, but still cool elevator. That's it.